I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day for Wednesday. That's right, it's Wednesday, March 16, and what a day it is already. Lots of news coming out this morning, but let's just trade the levels, all right? Bullish above 431.50 on the SPY. We're there right now, actually. Here we go. Liftoff. Bear below 429.50 for a retracement trade. Got to make sure we are prepared on both sides every single day. Let's go to the I. Oh, by the way, we did get a new level yesterday on the SPY. And they gave us those Levi's, those 501 prints. Yeah, very interesting. 417.02. So big level, 9.2. See if we can stay above that. That would be bullish. Let's go to the IWM. We're going to be bullish above 199. Bear below 195.99. Had to pick that level. We have a dark pool right there. Normally I'd be bearish below 196, but yeah, I just moved it down a penny because of that dark pool level. All right, let's head on over to the Qs. Today we're going to be bullish above 334.50, headed up there now. Bearish below 331.50 for the Qs. Let's check out those E-minis. All right, we are going to be bullish above 43.05. Yep, we've already gone up above that and hit our first target, 43.10. So that's another level to enter. But keep in mind, look where we are. Hold on. We are touching the 30 simple moving average right here in green. Yeah, so it could have a little bit of a tough time right there. If we can blast above that, let's say like 43.12, 50 cents. All right, I like that level. Then there's another big trade until we hit that 50 simple moving average. So I like that. Bear below 42.80. So our downward trade would be this one. All right, so looking good. Yeah, it looks like it's pushing through. Let's go to the Nasdaq Futures. All right, Nasdaq Futures, we're going to be bullish above 13.725 and bearish below 13.575. Looks like we have a bullish engulfing candle here. I'll be teaching all about bottoming candle patterns. Perfect time to do that today in the training pit. At 12 o'clock, I'll be showing you how we combine dark pool prints. That's the most important thing with these candles. So join me today at 12 o'clock. All right, let's go to the oil futures using the April futures, by the way. Bullish above 98. All right, there's room to go here. If we can climb above that, bear below 95. All right, big level 95. Let's head on over to gold. Sorry, GC. All right, gold testing the pivot right now. Yep. And you can see, look at the volume that came in. Right? Computers are loaded to sell at each and every one of these pivots, which is why I use them really carefully. So today, bullish above 1930. That's why I went above that. Right? See, person's pivots at 1928 and 10 cents. So I went above that 1930. First target's going to be this Camarilla, but if we could break above that, then there's room to go. So we have a little bit of a tough area there. Bear below 1910. I went below here for our downward trade. Let's head on over to Bitcoin, which had a lift this morning. Let's see if it's still up or not. 40,000, that one's been the big level. I've been using that. They really popped it up in the middle of the night and then dropped it. Big volume bar right here. Yeah, really big. So bullish above 40,800, bear below 38,900. Yeah, I use that volume bar to be bearish below. Unless a bigger volume bar comes along, yeah, you definitely want to go with the volume. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. You'll see a lot of different names that don't normally appear here, but there's a lot of volume going on in these names early this morning. So yeah, pin duo. Bullish above 37.50. Okay, I spotted a seller at 37.20, so I bumped it up. There's a lot of action this morning on the ECN books too. So I started changing levels based on that. That's where the big guys are loaded to buy and sell. You can see the guys still sitting there on the INET and on the ARCA. There was a big guy at 35. See if he's still there. No, not really that big anymore. They do change, but a lot of times they show. Here he is on the INET. See that? That's pretty big. So I use these levels. That's why I went a little bit lower, 34.50. It's going to do 35, but yep, we'll see. All right, so those are your levels for pin duo. Let's go to Billy, B-I-L-I, Billy. All right, we're going to be bullish above 25.20. I did spot a seller at 25. Yeah, he's selling there, so watch it. Let's see if he's still there. Yeah, again, they do move around sometimes. Nope, I don't see him. I think they took him out. He did sell what he wanted to sell there. All right, so we'll be bearish below 23.50 for Billy. Let's go to FXI. Yeah, China is definitely hot this morning. A lot of Chinese names here in the whisper. So bullish above 30. Yep, we just went above that and hit our first target on FXI. There's a lot of room to go till we hit the 15 EMA right there on the daily chart. That's the next level where computers will be selling. Bear below 29.50. All right, KE Holdings, BEKE. Bullish above 12.75, and we've already lifted off. And looks like we're headed to the 15 exponential moving average on the daily chart. Bear below 11.80. NEO. Big trade yesterday. Yep. We do have a bullish piercing yesterday, by the way, and a big dark pool print at 14.58. So it looks like we're going to probably test a little bit older dark pool prints, 1870. Watch those levels to see if they're still selling in 1873. Okay, we're going to be bullish today, though, above 18. Targets are going to be testing pivots and prints, and they're below 17. Let's head on over to XPEV, XPEV. Bullish above 25.50. We're there right now. Bear below 24.50. So you guys can see the same pattern, right, for most of these stocks going up to the 15 EMA. That is definitely the trade of the day. Bear below 24.50. Let's go to KWeb. All right, another one, very similar chart. Bullish above 27.20. We've just gone above it. 27.50 is the next entry level, by the way. All right, even though it's a target, it's also an entry in this trade. Bear below 26. Apple. All right, Apple, I like it. Bullish above 159. Same exact trade. Here, I'm going to just zoom in. Yeah, so you can, just in case you couldn't see it before, right? This, I have it in blue. It's 15 exponential moving average. Okay, so, all right, let's go to, and we'll be bearish below 155.50 for Apple. All right, we have the FOMC meeting today, and I definitely didn't want you to miss out on this trade on Bank of America. Could be a big mover today. Bullish above 42.50 for BAC. Why did I pick that level, right? Why can't we enter before? Well, could have a tough time here. We have a couple of pivots happening right here. We have resistance. The coast is clear above 42.50. And I'm also looking at some recent dark pool activity. We have one at, let's see, 41.26. So we've cleared all these guys. Yep, the only dark pool level above us is 43.85. That is the biggest, 8 million level. If we happen to close above that, that's uber bullish. But right now, Yep, we are above other prints. We're going to be bearish though below 41.25. All right, we'll see what happens. 2 o'clock Eastern. Just go with it. All right, gold also could be a big mover. Bullish above 180.25, bear below 179 for GLD. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, March 16th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.